Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Facebook Lite on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download the Facebook Lite app on your phone, first open up the Google Play Store, and after that guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is the search icon or the search bar for us. Tap on there and type in Facebook Lite, and that app will be available over here on this search result. And you can see guys, there is the install button available for us. Tap on there and you can see the Facebook Lite is starting to download and it's installing. Now guys, it has been installed. Let's open it. And over here guys, now on this panel, either you'll be required to log into another account on your phone with your, let's cancel this. And on this panel guys, you'll be required to enter your email address and your password, and then after that tap on login, or you'll be required to create a new account on Facebook. If you have not created it, tap on the create new account button over in the green, and then you'll be taken to the sign up procedure of Facebook on Facebook Lite. And then guys, this is how you download and install the Facebook Lite on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.